Okay, here's a tutorial on using the built-in mail and mass mailing function in the back end of FaithMix Magazine. This is for Donna, the administrator, or whoever she assigns to do it in the future as the things grow. Basically, if you need to get information to your authors, say for example you want to send them a reminder that they need to have their articles input to the website by such and such date, what you would need to do is just go to the Tools section and go to Mass Mail. Once you click on Mass Mail, you'll see an email form that comes up. I'm going to go ahead and just paste in some text I've already typed so I wouldn't have to do it while I've got the tutorial running. And basically, you'll be receiving this in a few minutes without knowing that I'm creating this video. But this is an example how I would like to how I would send email to my team members by using the mail system built into the admin panel of the faithmixmagazine.com website. Please do not reply to this email. I'll be posting a tutorial in a few minutes where you'll see how I created it, check the tutorials, yada yada yada. So I'm going to call it new tutorial coming. But basically, you would type in your notice if you wanted to remind somebody, to post their article. Be sure your articles are turned in by the 15th, and yada yada yada. Anybody who is a registered user in the website can receive a mass email. So you could use this for like a basic newsletter to send out a brief note to everybody that's signed up in the whole entire website if you want to, by clicking this area here. You could I'm sorry, but clicking this area here, this would be anybody who's registered at all. If you click this one here, you're just sending to the authors only. If you're sending to this one here, you would be sending to the editors. You can hold, so on and so forth. So you may have to send more than one if you have different groups to send to. But for example, I'm just going to send this one to you. To anybody who's listed as administrator, which is basically Donna. So I'm going to put that on there. If I wanted to send it to everybody else under Donna, which would be like the manager, publisher, editor, author, anybody who has those permissions, I would just click the button here. It says mail to child groups. Okay, that means the groups that's with lesser responsibility or lesser approval than the level that you've clicked on. You can send it as HTML mode if you want to. I'm just going to use the plain text for this one, and I'm going to have it save a copy of it on the actual server so I can read it later. Okay, let me put Dennis. Okay, and then we basically jump here and click send mail. So that's sent. And it tells you here it's sent to 2 users. Okay, so we've got that taken care of. Basically, that's all you need to do mass mailings. There are other tools with the mail. If somebody has sent messages through the system to you, this has an internal messaging system that's abbreviated as PMS, I think it is. But anyway, any messages sent back and forth to people, like if you want to write a message to another registered user, you can just click on Write Message, select that person from here. For example, if I want to send it to to admin, which would be me in this case, I put test, yada yada yada, type in whatever I want to do, and then I go over here and hit send. Okay, and then when that goes through, then as I go back to the control panel, over here I'll notice at the top of the screen on the right, since I'm logged in as the administrator, I have a note that I have one message waiting for me. So I can click on that. And then I can now see, since I'm logged in as admin, I'll see the ones listed for admin. I can click on it, and it tells me who it came from. I can read it. I can go over here and delete it, whatever. I can back out of it, and then if I want to get rid of it, I can do that as well, just simply by clicking on selecting it and clicking on delete. So there you go, just a couple of the mail functions that you have built into the back end of the website.